Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to stop the snipping tool from automatically taking screenshots in Windows 11. This is especially useful if the print screen key keeps opening the snipping tool when you don't want it to. So let's jump right in. First, right-click on the Start button and open Settings. Inside Settings, click on Accessibility. Now scroll down and under the Interaction section, click on Keyboard. On the keyboard page, scroll down again until you find the section called On-Screen Keyboard, Access Keys, and Print Screen. Here, you'll see an option that says Use the print screen key to open screen capture. Simply turn this option off. Once this is disabled, the snipping tool will no longer launch automatically when you press the print screen key. And that's it. That's how you stop the snipping tool from automatically taking screenshots in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.